Imagine the financial world as a vast cosmos. Credit scores are like stars, guiding lenders through the darkness. These scores tell a story. They whisper about your financial past. Have you paid your debts on time? How much money do you owe? These whispers become a universal language. Lenders use this language to decide. Will they give you a loan? What interest rate will they offer? Your credit score holds immense power, shaping your financial journey. For a long time, these scores relied on a limited set of data. Credit card payments, loans, these were the primary factors. But just like our understanding of the universe is expanding, so too is our approach to credit scoring. We are entering a new age of financial assessment. Alternative data sources are emerging like distant galaxies waiting to be explored. These new sources promise a more complete picture of an individual's financial health. Think about the vast amount of data generated every day. Every transaction, every bill payment, every online interaction leaves a digital footprint. This data, often overlooked by traditional credit scoring models, holds valuable insights. Alternative credit scoring aims to harness this untapped potential. By analyzing a wider range of data points, these new models can paint a more nuanced portrait of an individual's financial behavior. This includes data points like rent payments, utility bills, and even social media activity. The promise of alternative data is immense. It has the potential to revolutionize how we assess creditworthiness. For individuals with limited credit history, these alternative sources can provide a pathway to financial inclusion. However, like any journey into uncharted territory, there are risks to consider. Privacy concerns loom large, and the potential for bias in these new models cannot be ignored. For many, rent represents a significant monthly expense, yet traditionally, it has remained invisible to credit bureaus. This is a blind spot that alternative credit scoring seeks to address. Reporting rent payments can be a game changer, especially for younger generations and those new to credit. It allows them to build a positive credit history by demonstrating responsible financial behavior. Imagine a young professional, new to a city, diligently paying their rent on time. This responsible behavior, though invisible to traditional credit scoring, speaks volumes about their financial character. Alternative data brings this hidden virtue to light. Including rent payments in credit scoring acknowledges a crucial aspect of modern financial life. It recognizes that responsible financial behavior extends beyond credit cards and loans. Think about your monthly utility bills, electricity, gas, water. These essential services reflect our daily lives and our commitment to meeting financial obligations. Consistently paying utility bills on time demonstrates responsibility. It's a sign of financial stability, a testament to managing expenses effectively. Yet, traditional credit scoring often overlooks this crucial data point. Alternative credit scoring recognizes the value of this information. By incorporating utility payments into their models, these new systems provide a more holistic view of an individual's financial behavior. This inclusion benefits both lenders and borrowers. Lenders gain access to a more comprehensive assessment of creditworthiness. Borrowers with limited credit history can demonstrate their financial responsibility through a proven track record of utility payments. Social media has become an integral part of our lives. We share our thoughts, experiences, and even our financial habits, often unconsciously. This vast trove of data, while seemingly unrelated to creditworthiness, holds intriguing possibilities. Some proponents of alternative credit scoring believe that social media activity can provide valuable insights into an individual's financial behavior. For example, analyzing language patterns or online purchases might reveal spending habits and financial responsibility. However, using social media data for credit scoring raises significant ethical concerns. Privacy issues are paramount, and the potential for misinterpretation and bias is substantial. Imagine a scenario where an algorithm misconstrues a humorous post about overspending as a sign of financial recklessness. The use of social media data in credit scoring remains a subject of debate. While it holds the potential to unlock new insights, it also presents significant ethical challenges that must be carefully navigated. Traditional credit scoring often excludes certain demographics. Individuals new to a country, young adults starting their financial journey, or those who avoid credit cards can find themselves trapped. They need credit to build a history, but their lack of history prevents access. Alternative credit scoring offers hope by considering more data points. assessing creditworthiness for those outside traditional systems. Imagine a recent immigrant paying rent and bills on time, yet struggling to secure a loan. Alternative data bridges this gap, providing a pathway to financial inclusion and unlocking economic potential for communities. As we venture deeper into the cosmos of alternative credit scoring, we encounter black holes of privacy concerns. The vast amount of data used by these models raises legitimate questions about data security and individual privacy. Imagine a future where algorithms analyze your online purchases, social media activity, and even your browsing history to determine your creditworthiness. This level of data collection can feel intrusive, eroding our sense of privacy and autonomy. Transparency is paramount. Individuals have the right to know what data is being collected, how it is being used, and what measures are in place to protect their privacy. Robust data security protocols and clear consumer protection regulations are essential to navigating these ethical complexities. The potential benefits of alternative credit scoring must not come at the expense of individual privacy. Striking a balance between innovation and ethical data practices is crucial for building a trustworthy and equitable financial system. Just as gravity shapes the cosmos, bias can distort the landscape of alternative credit scoring. The data we generate reflects existing societal biases. These biases can become embedded in algorithms, perpetuating inequalities. Imagine an algorithm using zip codes to determine creditworthiness. If certain zip codes are predominantly minority groups, the algorithm could penalize individuals based on race. Mitigating bias requires constant vigilance. Data scientists must actively address potential sources of bias. This includes testing algorithms for fairness and ensuring transparency. Building equitable models requires challenging assumptions and addressing historical biases. By acknowledging and mitigating these biases, we can create a more just and inclusive financial system. The future of credit scoring is a multiverse of possibilities, a vast expanse of uncharted territory. As technology advances and our understanding of data evolves, we can expect to see even more innovative approaches to assessing creditworthiness. Imagine a future where artificial intelligence and machine learning play an even greater role, analyzing complex patterns and identifying previously hidden correlations within data. These advancements could lead to more accurate and nuanced credit assessments, further expanding access to financial products and services. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As we explore this new frontier of credit scoring, we must proceed with caution, ensuring that innovation goes hand in hand with ethical considerations and a commitment to fairness and inclusivity. The universe of credit scoring is expanding, offering both opportunities and challenges. By embracing innovation while remaining vigilant about privacy, bias, and ethical data practices, we can shape a future where credit scoring is a force for good, empowering individuals, and fostering a more equitable financial cosmos.